This is our assembly line. We specialize in building stable and reliable manufacturing process, while every link is meticulously designed to ensure both consistency and efficiency throughout the entire process. This is our test area. We conduct a comprehensive testing process to record and verify key parameters. This is our shipping area. Shock-absorbing materials provide premise wrapping and custom-engineered enclosures ensure tight sealing. If you have any further questions, please proceed to the meeting room, where our professional staff will provide you with detailed answers.